Hello everyone, today is the first day of Vlogmas 2018. If you don't know what Vlogmas is when you vlog every day up until Christmas. So today is December 1st, which is the first day of Vlogmas, and Chris just got a car. He got a new car. Oh, his phone just connected to the car. But he got a new car.
What time the dealership closed today? I mean, apartment.
5 or 6, probably.
Look it up for me.
Oh, you need a sticker, huh? Anyway, we just got something to eat, and now we are gonna try to catch our apartment office because Chris will have to get a parking sticker. So that's what we're about to try to get there and do that. I don't know if we'll make it on time though. But I'm so happy for him. He deserves it.
I didn't think about gas driving over here.
Oh.
Do you know how much gas you use?
It wasn't that much. I told him
Oh,
about
man.
Because this is our car, actually. It's Chris's car, but it's our car. Do I keep this with me? Keep it with me. Oh. Oh, I like this. This is nice. The keychain?
I ain't even know. Nah, the people I spoke to over the phone, she said, Akura.
Akura?
Yeah, she couldn't pronounce it. She was, I forgot what she was doing it for.
She was foreign.
Akura? Vinegar for Akura?
I told him today is the first day of Vlogmas. But we ain't doing nothing. So, every year Bath & Body Works does a candle sale. They used to be $7.95. Now they're $8.95. But the regular prices varies from $22 to $24 something. So I go to order my candles and they're all sold out. Like, who told y'all to go buy all the candles? I get candles every year. For the last few years around this time, I've been really on the candle sale. And I go on social media and everybody posting that it's a candle sale today. So I guess that's how everybody bought all the candles. Like, people like me that get these every year, I shouldn't have been asleep thinking that it's going to be okay. You know, I do this every year. I order whenever I want. It's no big rush because I'm going online, not in the store. But honey, this year I waited and the candles are gone. And I'm feeling some type of way. Because I get candles every year. Some of them I keep. I give some of them as gifts. And I'm just really feeling some type of way about this. Like, I'm feeling some type of way. I really am. I just don't even know what to say. This is crazy. It is 5:35 and the candles are sold out. I feel some type of way. Say hello, YouTube. We haven't really done anything since we've been home. We worked on our budget, and now I'm about to see what we're gonna eat for the week. So when I go to the store tomorrow, I'll know, girl, I'll know what we're gonna, what to buy. Yeah, so this is the end of Vlogmas Day 1, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.